With 2019 parliamentary elections closing up, Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati has now sounded the Mahagathbandhan warning, it seems. The BSP Supremo has made it clear that her party will only agree to have an alliance with other parties if they get respectable share of seats. While addressing a press conference in Lucknow, Mayawati even went on to claim that her party would rather choose to go alone in 2019 if there is no fair share of seats for the BSP. On Saturday, speaking exclusively at India Today's Mind Rocks, it was her rival, former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, inviting all opposition parties to a combined contest, eventually against the BJP.
गठबंधन करके जो चुनाव लड़ने की भी बात कही जा रही है, तो इस संबंध में भी हमारी पार्टी का शुरू से ही एक क्लियर कट स्टैंड रहा है कि हमारी पार्टी किसी भी पार्टी के साथ किसी भी चुनाव में तभी कोई चुनावी समझौता व गठबंधन आदि करेगी जब हमारी पार्टी को समझौते व गठबंधन में सम्मानजनक सीटें मिलती हैं, वरना फिर हमारी पार्टी अकेले ही चुनाव लड़ना ज्यादा बेहतर समझती है।
मायावती जी को लग रहा है कि इस बार शायद फिर खाता नहीं खुल पाएगा उत्तर प्रदेश में। पिछली बार बहन जी 0 पे आउट हो गई थी और इस बार भी अखिलेश यादव के सहारे लड़ना चाहती हैं। सहारा उनको चाहिए या अखिलेश यादव को चाहिए, इसका द्वंद्व है।
So let's listen into what the former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav said on Mind Rocks.
कम से कम साइकिल पे चलने से स्वास्थ्य तो बेहतर हो गई, क्योंकि जो साइकिल चलाता है वो जानता है कि बैलेंस कैसे बनाना है। अब बुआ जी हमारे साथ हों, कांग्रेस के साथ हों और लोग भी साथ हों, शायद हम समाजवादी लोग हैं जो साइकिल चला सकते हैं, उनको साथ लेकर के।
All right, I'm going to go across to my colleague Nilanshu Shukla. Nilanshu, it's very interesting because I remember Mayawati had given out the same statement earlier as well. But there doesn't seem to be a unity, and, you know, despite BSP-SP forging an alliance, do you see them going together and strong for 2019 against BJP?
Well, it is very clear from Mayawati's statement that she is keeping both Samajwadi Party and Congress guessing over the alliance for the 2019 elections. Mayawati has clearly said that alliance is only possible if BSP gets respectable seats to contest in 2019. Otherwise, her party is going to contest alone. And also, she has not spoken anything in favor of Samajwadi Party or Congress ever in any press conference since this Mahagathbandhan talks are going on. Though Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is very keen over the alliance, he also said during our conclave that he is inviting all opposition parties, including Congress and BSP, to come forward and support the Mahagathbandhan to defeat the BJP in 2019 elections. He has also said in the past that he is ready to compromise 3 to 4 seats to placate BSP for the Mahagathbandhan. However, Mayawati is keeping both the parties guessing. So clearly it is going to be a jolt for Samajwadi Party if the alliance does not happen, because somewhere what insiders in the Samajwadi Party are telling us that Akhilesh Yadav is heavily relying on BSP, and also he is not keeping a good relation with his uncle Shipal Yadav, who has already formed his own political front and is planning to contest all 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh in the Lok Sabha elections against Samajwadi Party. So clearly we have to see how Samajwadi Party and Congress reacts over this issue. But if the alliance is not going to happen, then it is going to be a big jolt for Samajwadi Party in particular, because as I have said earlier that Akhilesh Yadav, the chief of Samajwadi Party, is heavily relying on BSP to defeat the BJP in the 2019 elections.
Nilanshu, where is Congress in all this? You know, Congress has also said they are willing to have anybody as a joint opposition leader, even if it's in the state. What are the feelers in Congress really on this issue?
See, what insiders in Congress are telling us right now is that Mayawati is a kind of politician who does not speak about her strategy in public, and the talks of alliance are going positively, and Congress is very optimistic about alliance with BSP, not only for 2019 elections but also for upcoming assembly elections in Madhya Pradesh. We have also seen very senior leaders of Congress who hails from Madhya Pradesh speaking about future alliance with BSP for the assembly elections, but Mayawati has not spoken any word on the alliance with Congress or SP in the upcoming polls. She has only said that if BSP doesn't get respectable seats to contest, then her party is going to contest alone. So this is a clear stand of Bahujan Samaj Party, and she has been saying this in many press conferences, and today she has repeated this. Though one very interesting which Mayawati has said in her press conference today is that she has spoken about Chandrasekhar release. His release was ordered early by the Yogi Adityanath government, and she has attacked the BJP over various issues, and she has also said that it is the game plan of the BJP to field Chandrasekhar against BSP, which is not going to happen. She has claimed that Dalit voters are intact with BSP, and they are
clearly, Nilanshu, you know, from what you're telling us, it is very interesting how the situation is panning out. Uttar Pradesh always leading with politics of country in many ways, and thank you for the details. I will come back to you because this will be our top story tonight at 9 p.m. It is about 2019, but it is also about what the state parties are up to.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.